The world of dating is brutal to navigate through. Moreover, there's no playbook on how to date someone. However, there are common mistakes that almost everyone makes in the dating scene. To help you be in the minority, we've researched and consulted with dating experts on what not to do when dating. So stick around this video to learn 10 mistakes that could cost you a life partner. Number 10. Talking too much about your ex. Trust is key to every relationship, and talking openly about past partners with your current partner shouldn't be a problem. While this information will be shared at least at a certain point in your relationship, it shouldn't be overshared at the initial stage of the relationship. Mentioning our exes may make us feel guilty or make our partners jealous for some reason. But if done in the right way, there's no need to worry. However, talking about your ex with your current partner might be hard as you're still getting to know your partner, bringing up some insecurities. Now, imagine talking too much about your ex. Your partner should show interest before you bring up the topic. Be sensitive to your partner's attitude and be careful not to hurt their ego while going about the subject. It's also important to note that talking about your ex may make the current relationship stronger and bring you two closer if done right. Number 9. Sacrificing too much to get the relationship. If you realize you're doing things you wouldn't do to get someone's attention, then you're headed on the wrong path. People who tend to behave this way usually suffer from self-esteem issues. Valuing yourself enough to put your needs and the other person's on the table is essential in enhancing balance and harmony in the relationship. A working relationship is one between two equals, both receiving and giving reciprocally. If you feel like you're sacrificing the most in the relationship, then it's time to rethink. We understand that there are times when there's a call for a compromise, but some things are non-negotiable and should never be sacrificed in the name of a relationship: your self-worth, dreams, family, and beliefs. Choose to be happy by focusing on things that you should never sacrifice for a relationship. Number 8. Being too insecure. One of the most common things people project is their insecurity. They often do this by assuming or accusing their partners of only pretending to love and care for them. Feeling insecure is burdening and feels very unbearable. The fear, the obsessive thoughts, and the feeling of powerlessness can be overwhelming. Jealousy and insecurity are pretty common at the beginning of almost every relationship. But if the insecurity remains constant and central, there can be a breakdown. What should you do if you're in a relationship with a very insecure person? You can reason with your partner, be gentle and loving towards them, but be very keen not to make too many adaptations for them. It is hell dating someone who is too insecure. Therefore, trust each other, give each other space, and forgive each other, for you both deserve to be happy. Number 7. Comparing everyone to your ex. Relationship expert at Social Pro, Victor Sander, says that it's normal to subconsciously or consciously compare everyone to your ex, especially if you still emotionally connect to them. The expert recommends focusing on every new person you meet as a unique individual and appreciating their qualities rather than comparing them to others. It's not cool. For starters, the behavior is so rude. Would you like your partner to compare you to their exes? I highly doubt that. Even though your current partner might be lacking in areas your exes thrived in, it's crucial to understand that everyone is unique, and uniqueness shouldn't be compared. And also, the comparison can sabotage a good thing that is indeed rare to find. So much energy might be focused on the comparison, thus overlooking your partner's strengths and effort. Number 6. Ignoring red flags. One might be tempted to ignore subtle warnings, especially if they really want their relationship to work. However, it'd be best if you didn't jump to conclusions without enough evidence on the first problem that arises. Red flags are usually an indicator that something needs to be questioned or validated. Some relational red flags to look out for are abusive behavior, controlling behavior, lack of trust, lack of communication. An emerging pattern is not something to make an excuse for. Number 5. Revealing your feelings too soon. Ladies, have you ever liked someone and thought that the best way to handle it is to come clean and confess these feelings to them? Especially if he hasn't done the same, will probably scare him away. Telling a guy that you really like him is like basically lowering your social value, and he'll see you as another potentially clingy woman who needs him to complete her. Therefore, his interest will diminish, as most men don't find this attractive. Most men prefer a challenge and don't want things to be too easy. Number 4. Dating because you don't want to be alone. It's okay to want a relationship, but when you start forcing relationships and connections because you don't want to be alone, it becomes a problem. It's important to note that dating is not something to engage in because you're uncomfortable flying solo. Whenever you look for love with a need or a partner to fill the void in your heart, you end up giving up your power and losing yourself in the process. Audrey Hope, a relationship therapist and expert, explains, anyone who succeeds in finding true love must do so by being their authentic selves and in their own power. Number 3. fantasizing about the future. When you find yourself trying on his last name before the third date, it's time to remind yourself to slow down. During the first months of a relationship, you are most probably running on oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. The hormone creates a sense of euphoria and well-being that comes along with falling in love. This period in a relationship is referred to as the period of temporary insanity, as the hormones hinder someone from thinking clearly. It's important not to get ahead of yourself before you really get to know someone and see them in a wide range of situations. Please detach yourself from illusions you've created about a person, as this can lead to unrealistic expectations and depression if the relationship doesn't work out. Number 2. Avoidance of intimacy. Women are quickly catching up in the fear of commitment zone, while traditionally men thrive in this sector. To be intimate with someone is to share close physical and emotional ties. Fear of intimacy may be due to many reasons, including childhood sexual abuse and fear of rejection and abandonment. Avoidance of intimacy is primarily a defense mechanism where you don't allow yourself to become vulnerable or trust someone because you don't want to get hurt. As this may hinder a relationship from thriving, it's vital to overcome the fear through behavioral therapy or even professional counseling. Additionally, fear of intimacy is a mental disorder, and it's crucial to support your partner through this with time and patience. It's crucial to learn how to form meaningful bonds with our partners. Number 1. Letting the boundaries slip around your relationship. Within a relationship of any kind, there are bound to be secrets. Your partner's trust in you may be eroded if you tend to let others into your private world. Even if it may seem harmless, it may feel like a betrayal. And this puts your relationship in jeopardy, as your partner may start to worry about opening their mouth and begin to feel guilty and anxious with time. These emotions are problematic and troubling over time. Also, setting boundaries is an integral part of any relationship, as people have different tolerances for certain things. You and your partner need to communicate your boundaries and then respect the boundaries set clearly. Setting healthy personal boundaries allow you to take responsibility for your emotions and actions. Boundaries in dating offer illuminating insights for romance that help a couple grow in honesty, self-control, and freedom as they pursue a healthy dating relationship that may lead to a healthy marriage. We hope you enjoyed our video. Just be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing content. And please give us a like and share the video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback, and feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments section down below. Until next time, goodbye.